Hi, my name is Fred Price with Lauren Homes, and we're standing in one of our new showcase models that we just completed. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath plan. And one of the great things about new construction is you could choose what you would like in the home. So if you're looking to build a new home or looking to buy a home in Southwest Florida, think Lauren Homes. We take you through a whole design process where you can choose your light fixtures, your plumbing fixtures, your flooring, cabinetry, countertops. So the home is really built for you and your needs. Again, Fred Price with Lauren Homes. I look forward to hearing from you.